My babes, what's going down? All right. We often have people say to us that we're constantly on the move, that we don't slow down, we don't take breaks, we don't do this, we don't do that. We don't do a lot of activities that, many people do.
We don't go to the movies, we don't watch television.
Yeah, a lot of things, because here's the thing. Our life is filled with shit that we're constantly wanting to be doing. Meaning that we're busy because we constantly have things that we're interested in. That are more interesting than going to the movies or watching television. We often will do, we'll listen to podcasts or watch documentaries if we're going to watch some sort of television. But what I'm getting at is that when you really, add in, honey, we do things that are constantly
forward progress.
Yeah, we're constantly developing.
If it doesn't add to who I am as a being, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, and that's the thing, is that's really what this is about, is that we're just trying to get the message through that, doing things to entertain you that don't really help you move forward in life. It's I guess, most of society does these things.
Yeah.
And people look at us and people often say, you're always on the go, you don't take breaks. Well, take breaks from what? Why would I want to take a break? We never take vacation because, fuck. Let's pick that up. We don't take vacations.
Because
I'm going to see.
Our life is a vacation. Hi.
Fuck.
The little standy thing fell down.
Yeah,
and now we're going to crash. And we're driving in Mexico.
Because we're on our way to our house in Mexico. And we hit a fucking big goddamn bump in the road. Let's see if this thing will recover. Yes.
Hi.
It kept fucking filming. Look at that. Anyway. But the point is that if the things that you do in your life are interesting to you and they also help you grow as a person, you don't want to take breaks.
Definitely. Personal growth.
Why would you want to take a vacation from a lifestyle that you don't want to leave?
Totally.
People take vacations because they can't wait to get away.
Well, yeah, and our life is the same no matter what location we're in. But when our kids were younger, we'd go to the park or the water slides or whatnot, because it was bringing us together.
Sure.
As a family, bonding with your children.
This is more talking about us as a couple in terms of beyond parenting life, when you say.
Right, but what I was going to say is that I wasn't the mom really taking the kids to the movies. I did a few times, but that's not interacting with your child.
Yeah. It's not just buying them something and sending them to do something. It's doing an activity.
No.
Another thing you got to think about is this. We don't really have weekends, because weekends are designed for people to spend 2 days away from the shit they don't want to do. And so, if you're doing what you want to do, what fucking difference does it make what day it is?
I could take a weekend from laundry. I could do that.
Yeah, there are certain things, shit, I could say, if I could not wipe my ass every time I took a dump, I would not do that too. But there's certain things you just have to fucking do.
In our Mexico house, we have a bidet.
Yes, we do. Anyway.
Visualize that, friends.
But the point is just think about this. Society puts us in this kind of this rhythm of life where weekends are designed to get away. Well, get away from what? Get away from what you don't want to do during the week. Well, maybe the idea would be to try to work on what you do during the week, so you're not so eager to run away from it on the weekend.
Yeah.
That's really what the message is here.
We spend our lives helping other people. There's something about giving back. I don't need a break from that. I can give and give and give.
So, think about this, my peeps. The bottom line is, you have the power to make the choice. You have the power to make your world the way you choose it to be. If you don't fucking like something, have the fucking balls to take the fucking stand up.
Yeah.
Take the fucking first step and make a difference. And for those of you thinking, well, fuck, I got to work during the week and you got responsibilities, absolutely. So you take an hour a day, and then you take your weekends. So you're talking, let's say you take 3 hours on the weekend, 4 hours on the weekend, and an hour during the, so you're talking a total of, 8 hours a week?
Yeah.
But you find something that you want to do.
That you're passionate about.
Exactly. You commit your time to this.
Passion and create that side hustle.
Now you basically have taken your time that you were, kind of doing brainless shit, which is society, which pretty much trains us to do, to get away from what we don't want to do. Well, now you're investing yourself in something you want to do, your passion. Ultimately, you'll learn to monetize it if you continue to work on it with and basically, just like she said, your fucking side hustle will eclipse what you do all fucking week, what you don't want to do. Now you don't have weekends, now you don't have vacations, because every fucking day you get up and you fucking do what you want to.
Is a weekend. Every day is a vacation.
That's it.
When you're living in your passion.
That's it. Rock and roll, my peeps.